Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video. So first of all, you might already know that my quality of my YouTube videos has gotten better. That is because I have now got a new phone. I am now recording on the Pixel 4a Plus, so that is why the picture quality is so much better. And what better video to start off with my new phone, and that is a review on Fernando Alonso. Of course, I haven't done a review on Fernando Alonso in a while, and yeah. So I'd like to apologise if I cannot show the flash, because I do not know how to start that off yet. But yeah, well, dilly-dallying on, let's start off the review of Fernando Alonso. So, Fernando Alonso was seen in the Spanish version of Cars. I'll leave a picture up here of where he was seen in the movie, down, well, up here, of course, in Cars 2. So yeah, of course, he replaced the racer Jeff Gorvette in different versions of the movie. So Jeff Gorvette was in the international and American versions of Cars, whereas the German version of Cars, it was Max Chanel. Of course, in the Mexican version, it was Mamo Rosas. Of course, in the Swedish version, we got the Super Chase Flash Nelson. In the Chinese version, we got Longi. In the Russian version, we got the Russian racer, also known as Vitaly Petrov, another F1 driver. And in the Australian version, we got Frosty Winterbottom, also known as Mark Winterbottom. So that is pretty cool. Of course, all those cars are Super Chases, but somehow Fernando Alonso over here should never get a release, and that is because the licensing issue on his diecast is pretty rare. Oh, he just never wanted his diecast to get released. So, let's start off this review of Fernando Alonso. He, of course, is a two-time F1 World Champion, 2005, 2006. He is coming back into F1 next season to work with Renault, so that is pretty cool. On the front here, we've got this nice smile, of course, not coloured in. I got this from Jim Scavenger, so that he is a pretty cool customer. I believe he doesn't make these anymore. He has the lightning bolts here, reminds me a bit of Lightning McQueen. He's got this yellow stripe coming down. Headlights on both sides. Mirrors. On the top here, we've got these stripes coming down. So pretty cool, represent the Spanish colours. This black spoiler, which is the model that Miguel Camino should have. So I don't know why he's got this coloured spoiler. Of course, if you did not know, he was the same model as Miguel Camino, as you can see. Yep, got the colouring on the side here, on the back. We've got some rear headlights here, because mine is chipping away, because he is always in the background of my videos, like right here, because he is my favourite car. There's the base. He is a Chinese Miguel, so 283 EAA. Here's the other side, pretty cool. Back again. Of course, comparing him to Miguel Camino, the Spanish racer. Pretty cool. Yeah, let me know in the comments below, what do you think Fernando Alonso will ever get released? Or would it be a San Diego Comic Con release or something like that? Of course, I did bring some other racers out here. We got Sebastian Chanel, Lewis Hamilton, of course Memo Rojas. So yeah, of course a quick video, because we don't need to get to the details of everything about Fernando Alonso. That could be a video for another day. I did also bring out this World Grand Prix Spanish Lightning McQueen, which is available for the Disney store. So he'll be put in the background, of course, to finish off this video. Suggestions are currently open, so if you want to suggest a car down below, or plane, I have a few planes. So yeah, if you're new, please make sure to leave a like. Of course, we'll put him back here at the front, because he is the mascot. Dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below. Of course, to the next one. Bye guys.